Welcome to the AC Hotel in Downtown Oakland, California. This is a corner room on the 15th floor with views of downtown Oakland. A comfortable king bed is the room's centerpiece. You also have the option of 2 queen beds. Dual lounge chairs that swivel make it easy to sit and watch TV or just to hang out and read a book. This compact desk made working here a breeze. The room design has a minimal aesthetic with no large, heavy furniture pieces, making the room feel nice and breezy and airy and spacious. There are side lamps and reading lights attached to the headboard alongside outlets and charging ports for your convenience. These pillows, by the way, were next level comfortable, and I honestly wish I looked at the brand because I would love to buy them. There is a small open wardrobe over here, and this was totally fine for our weekend trip, but if you're here for a longer stay, you may be leaving a lot more in your suitcase. All the standard amenities a room should have were readily available: a coffee machine in pods, a safe, and a mini fridge. The bathroom is nice and spacious. The shower has the standard shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and it also has a detachable shower head. A blow dryer is out and ready for you to use since there are no drawers in this vanity. There is a lot of counter space though, so you still have room for your toiletries. But if you are like me and you don't like a lot of clutter on countertops and you'd rather just put things in drawers, it's not really an option here, unfortunately, but there still was so much counter space. Now for my favorite part of the room, the view. This was a corner unit, like I said, so that means there was 2 windows, and they each had dual shades, one sheer and one blackout for when you're sleeping. It had just rained and the sun came out and it was such a beautiful day in Oakland. Here is the smaller window to the side of the bed. Just a stunning view. On the other side of the hotel, you will have bay views, but this side is going to be downtown Oakland. This was the beautiful view during the sunset. I absolutely loved it. For a full hotel review, please check out our blog, livekindunwind.com, and I will link the article in the description.